Hello lovely YouTube family, what's going on? If you have a small amount of money and don't know where to spend it, the best solution is to invest it. If you approach the issue correctly, you can get a good additional source of income. If you know you can invest $1 and make $2, you'll continue to invest $1. And if you have 1,000, nobody will tell you the truth about where it is better to invest $1,000 wisely. Here's such a funny moment. You think where to invest your $1,000, ask, and you're told dozens of options from the head, but there are practically no real stories. Yes, this is so. So sit back, relax, because I'm going to discuss how to invest your first $1,000 wisely. Most people think that you should buy investment instruments such as property, bonds, stocks, commodities such as gold, etc. Although these items are an investment, but can you tell me what is the best investment that you have done ever? The best investment is to invest in yourself. Just imagine it is useless big capital in investment if you're unable to manage it and your capital will disappear quickly. Investing in yourself means that you make yourself better in the future. Investing in yourself is the best thing because you're a property that you use during your whole life. So if you educate yourself, then you'll bring the knowledge you have to death. And guess what? The risk in investing in yourself is zero. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett said that the best investment you can make is an investment that you can't beat, can't be taxed, and even inflation can't take it from you. Most of the people without debts have a series of habits that differentiate them from the rest of the people, and the same happens with the most successful people. Just think of Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, or Sam Walton, to give a few examples. Surely you're able to find links of union, and if not, let me give you one that all of them share. They have never stopped training and continued learning, either in a regulated way or outside the traditional channels. You're the biggest money-making machine in your life. Investing in yourself and making yourself better in the future provides a great career opportunity and is the biggest source of income in your life. No one can take this investment away from you. Most people underestimate and do not want to educate themselves independently outside formal education. After formal education ends, they tend to stop learning. Yet in life, the most important thing is to keep learning because the world continues to change along with technological developments. People who do not want to educate themselves independently will find themselves behind the times and miss opportunities. Can you do that disgrace to yourself by not investing in yourself? Investing in yourself is the most difficult, and not everyone can do it despite the seemingly simple things. They require a lot of time, money, and effort, both physically, morally, and mentally. And while this kind of investment should not be limited to any single aspect, investing in yourself is an integrated approach to changing the quality of life, which must include some aspects. Developing professional skills can increase your competitiveness. And this may mean a promotion or a higher salary offer in another company. If you're a business owner, then acquiring a new skill will expand your offer and attract more customers. If you're tired of your work, courses will help you learn a new profession. Each skill can become a profession. If you have a small business, then invest in your training. Learn not only the basics of management, but also a deeper knowledge of it because even small things can double sales and modern knowledge can extend the life of your business for years forward. Invest your money to read and listen. To gain new knowledge, reading books, video tutorials, or podcasts on the topic you need is suitable. This is one of the most budgetary ways to invest in yourself. Moreover, you can do this on the way to work or in anticipation of something. Reading is a habit that can change your life because by reading, you can see the perspective of the author conveyed in his writing. Furthermore, by reading, you'll get a lot of new knowledge that can be practiced in life. And by reading, you can learn about other people's experiences or mistakes so that you can learn about life without having to experience or make mistakes yourself. Many successful business leaders have a habit of reading, and on average, they read 4 to 5 books per month. Great leaders are those who love to absorb knowledge and skills and always try to improve their competence. And to do that, they become productive readers. So if you want to improve your standard of living, read more. For those of you who don't like reading, current technological advancements allow you to add knowledge and insight by listening to audiobooks or podcasts. You can stop at online courses. There are many international sites like Coursera, so master the material for as little as $20 in an independent mode. Invest your money in events and conferences. Many vacancies are not published and not publicly disclosed, so it's important to keep in touch with colleagues from other companies. You can get to know them at various events like conferences, meetings, and exhibitions. Do not be afraid to buy tickets there. New friends can come in handy. If we talk about health, then the teeth should be white, the muscles should be strong, the skin should be clean, and the organs like a Ferrari engine. In this state, you yourself want to do more and feel better. And believe me, this is an important part of investing in yourself regardless of the goal. Travel as much as you can. Travel and travel a lot to the farthest, most exotic places. We'll all agree that traveling is one of the most valuable experiences we can have in our lives. Why? Because they stay in our hearts. The experiences you get from traveling is unique and is not repeated. Do not wait until you get to retirement to finally make the trip you have always wanted. So better follow my advice on investment and travel more often without going bankrupt. And let's come to the last thing that I want to advise you. Have you always been curious to learn a language? Don't let more time go by and just do it. When you learn a new language, you must put your brain to work. Learning to communicate with other people in their native language can be quite satisfying and open doors for you to get to know other countries and make new friends and businesses. In addition, there are studies that show that people who speak more than one language are smarter than monolinguists. Will that person be you? Of course, yes. Then invest in yourself before it's too late. In the end, there's one investment that replaces all others: investing in yourself. In a nutshell, let me say this. To sum up this video, in the end, there's one investment that replaces all the others: investing in yourself. All in all, the best investment is to invest in yourself by making yourself better in the future. People who are able to make themselves better in the future will find themselves successful in life many ways. Remember this motto: planning prevents bad results. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel about your experience and level of competitiveness. Being prepared will help you avoid slipping through life's unexpected bumps. Learn everything you can about investments, your goals, and what drives you to success. Before starting an investment, imagine how you want to feel once you finish it. Don't try to accomplish too much at once. Break complex tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. As the American general Creighton Abrams Williams Jr. once said, "If you're going to eat an elephant, take one bite at a time. If you have patience and perseverance, success will be just a few steps away." Well, that's pretty much from this video, friends. Watch my other videos on financial topics and I hope you'll learn a lot from them. Like and share this video to help others to learn. Subscribing to our channel would mean a lot to us, so hit that subscribe button now and also press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Till the next video, keep on working hard until you achieve your dreams. Bye-bye.